4,200 meters below the surface of the Pacific Ocean, off the coast of central California, lies a landscape of crushing pressure and near total darkness. Here, on the flank of an extinct underwater volcano called Davidson Seamount, something completely unexpected exists. It's a city, not of stone or steel, but of living flesh, an aggregation of as many as 20,000 pearl octopuses, Muso octopus robustus, shimmering in the lights of a remotely operated vehicle. They are tucked into rocky crevices, their bodies inverted, their arms curled protectively. This place, nicknamed the Octopus Garden, represents the largest known gathering of cephalopods on the entire planet, and its very existence challenges a fundamental assumption about these creatures. The octopus is often considered the quintessential solitary animal. They are masters of camouflage, intelligent hunters who live, hunt, and die alone. Outside of a brief and often perilous mating encounter, an octopus has little use for another of its kind. They are territorial and can be cannibalistic. So why are they here, packed together in such incredible densities? The answer isn't social, it's thermal. They are not drawn to each other, but to a feature of the seamount itself. They are clustering around hydrothermal vents, cracks in the seafloor from which geothermally heated water emanates. This isn't the scalding water of a black smoker vent. The ambient water temperature at this depth is a frigid 1.6 degrees Celsius. The water seeping from these vents, however, is a comparatively balmy 11 degrees Celsius. This subtle temperature difference is the key to the entire mystery. For a cold-blooded or ectothermic animal like an octopus, environmental temperature dictates the speed of life itself. Every biological process, from digestion to cellular repair, is governed by metabolic rate, which in turn is governed by warmth. A warmer octopus is a faster octopus on a biochemical level. But they are not here to be comfortable. Every single one of these thousands of octopuses is a female, and they are all brooding eggs. They have attached their clutches to the hard volcanic rock, directly in the path of this warm, flowing water. And this is where the evolutionary advantage becomes clear. In the near-freezing ambient water, scientists estimate that octopus eggs of this species would take between 5 to 8 years to hatch. It's an immense amount of time, leaving the eggs vulnerable to predation and mishaps for the better part of a decade. Here, in the gentle heat of the vents, that incubation time is slashed to less than 2 years. This speed comes at a tremendous cost. Warmer water holds less dissolved oxygen, and the hydrothermal fluid itself is oxygen poor. The octopuses are paying for accelerated development with asphyxiation. The ROV footage shows them in distress, their bodies pulsing as they struggle to draw enough oxygen from the water to survive. You can see scars and lesions on their skin, a possible sign of the physiological stress of living in this environment. This is not a sanctuary. It is a calculated, high-risk, high-reward nursery where mothers essentially burn themselves out to give their offspring a better chance at life. The octopus mothers never leave their eggs. They don't eat. For the entire brooding period, nearly 2 years, they subsist on their own bodies, withering away as they protect their clutch and gently waft water over them. The accelerated metabolism that speeds up their eggs also speeds up their own demise. Once the tiny, perfectly formed octopuses hatch and float away, the mother's life is over. The seafloor around the active nests is littered with the carcasses of spent females, their bodies having fulfilled their final biological purpose. The garden is both a cradle and a graveyard. This discovery forces us to reconsider the very definition of a solitary animal. It's not social behavior in the way we might think of a wolf pack or a pod of dolphins. It's an aggregation born of necessity, a shared solution to a common biological problem. How do they find this specific place in the vast darkness of the deep sea? Is it chemical sensing, a memory passed down through generations? Are there other, similar gardens scattered across the ocean floor that we have yet to find? The existence of the octopus garden is a profound reminder that the deep ocean is not a barren desert. It is a dynamic world of strange adaptations and hidden lives, a place where our fundamental assumptions about life on Earth are still being overturned.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.